just watched, that's Dehancer. Dehancer is a film emulation color grading plugin, and honestly, it's kind of changed how I think about grading any footage that I get from now on. Instead of spending every single minute just trying to chase that film look manually, you'll just plug it into your DaVinci or anything that you have and it works. The whole workflow becomes so much more intuitive. You're not just fighting the image, you're actually enhancing it based on what you want it to look like for you. And for this video, I specifically used it in DaVinci Resolve. It's always my go-to, so I just found it super easy to download it, plug it in, and make it work. There was no friction, there was no learning curve. It really just worked and felt super natural to me. Even the setup process was super simple, which made things a lot better when I tried to use it in the first place. But what I loved most about Dehancer was the way that it gives you so much accessibility. So if you're a photographer, there's plugins for Lightroom, there's Photoshop, there's Capture One, and Affinity Photo. And if you're a video editor, then you have DaVinci Resolve. You could also put into Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, After Effects. All of that is covered. And there's also like a standalone app, which I've been using, and it has been super cool. This is what the app looks like. And you just put your picture in, and you have a bunch of options. For example, this is one picture, and then they're all at the bottom right there. Playing with the app, and I'm honestly obsessed with it so far. I'm so excited to use it on my future trips that are to come. So expect more content. I will be uploading more things on YouTube, especially for the next couple of months. I'm going to be living up north, so there's a lot of greenery and nice scenes for us to capture. If you want to try it out, the link is in my description. You'll get a 10% discount. I highly suggest using it. It's honestly such an insane platform. See, it could take your work from here to there. So thanks for watching. Speak soon. I will see each other.